Great post, Christy. I like how you bring up a lot of different aspects of relationships and listening habits. Actually, just this morning I had a little conflict with my daughter. We were going to Chuck E. Cheese, and she said, "Hey, Dad, when we get back, we can do such and such." And I said, "Well, I think once we're done, I'm going to probably drop you off at your mom's. So make sure you get your cell phone and all your stuff that you want to take with you and bring it along." And she said, "Okay." And after leaving Chuck E. Cheese, I said, "Hey, you got all your stuff?" And she's like, "No, it's at your house." And so I told her, I said, "Well, I specifically told you to grab your stuff." And she's like, "No, you didn't." And I said, "Yes, I did." And after kind of talking about it for a little while, she realized that I did say it, and she did hear me talk, but she wasn't listening. So to kind of build on the points that you brought up, I think that we as listeners can hear somebody talk and say okay or agree with them, but we might be thinking of something else and completely not even get what they're trying to say. So that was kind of my example from this morning, and I do think that multitasking can affect the way that you listen to people. So great post.